I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Select Academy LMS. Choose a form. User completes a lesson. Choose lesson. Next, search and select an action. WooCommerce. Connect. Next, select a module. I will create a customer, so I am choosing to create customer. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your other WordPress user. Go to the Academy LMS site. Enroll now. Start course. Now check the box to complete the course. Now go to the WooCommerce Customers dashboard. And you can see customer created successfully in the WooCommerce. Thanks for watching.